How to move a microwave drawer with an Airsled LiftCart. This 24-inch wide microwave drawer weighs 74 pounds and can be difficult to move during servicing. For this application, first install the LiftCart's caster wheels by hand tightening the wing nuts. When connecting the LiftCart's wires, always ensure they run completely under the frame to prevent them from getting pulled or pinched during operation. Pull the microwave out of its cavity about 5 inches to prepare it for the move. Raise the LiftCart's top until it reaches the microwave. Avoid running into any cabinet hardware while raising the LiftCart. Pull the microwave forward so that it rests on the LiftCart's top. You can now safely and easily move the microwave. To place into the cavity, line up the microwave with the opening and carefully push it back in. Minor elevation adjustments are easily accomplished with the LiftCart's wired remote. Learn more at www.airsled.com.